So now let's go ahead and fix our header. You can see it looks broken and we've got that pop-up. We don't want this pop-up to show up by default. We want it to be hidden initially and only show up when you click on the username. So for that, we're gonna need to install Bootstrap View. All right, so you can read more about Bootstrap View on the Bootstrap View documentation. All right, so let's go ahead and install Bootstrap View. For that, we're gonna go npm install bootstrap dash view. Right, it's installing. Oops. Oh, I misspelled bootstrap. Let me just clear and run again. npm install boot. I just want to make sure I spell it right this time. Bootstrap dash view. Yeah, now bootstrap view is installed successfully and we want to load it onto our app. And let's go back to the documentation. You'll see the documentation says this is how we import it over to our app. Let me actually copy these two styles and paste it on our app.js. Now back to let's go back to our page manager. Right, it's still loading. Now our navigation is fixed and we just want to pull the username to the right. All right, to the right of the window. So you'll see if I inspect, you'll see I actually gave it a class name of pool right. All right, so for that we're gonna target that class name and float it to the right. Right, so admin layout. So let's define a style tag here and scoped style tag, and we want to target the pool right class, pool dash right, and let's float it to the right hand side of the screen. All right, and now let's go ahead and refresh, and now the whatever the username is floated to the right hand side of the screens. All right, so I think let's leave it here for now. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.